To get iPhone ringtone on a Google Pixel 11, first of all, we want to open Play Store on our phone. Once we go to the Play Store over here, we can use the search option and then use the search field at the top, and you can type iPhone ringtone over here. There we go, we can use suggestions to quickly search for something, and you can find many different apps that, at least in theory, should allow you to get the iPhone ringtone. Now, in my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. I'm gonna install it, and I'm gonna show you how to get an iPhone ringtone based on this app. But if you don't like this app, or in case it doesn't work for you, feel free to try any other app from the Play Store. So let's open it, and of course you might see ads in the meantime. Make sure to grant all the necessary permissions to allow the app to change the ringtone for you, and of course download it as well. Now in here we have the list of all of these different ringtones, and you can of course tap on play in order to have a little preview to make sure that you can find the specific iPhone ringtone that you want to get on your phone. And once you find it, you can tap on these three dots on the right side, and then in here at the bottom we have this ringtone button, so we're gonna tap here. Unfortunately we have another ad, but we can wait to be able to skip it. There we go, now we have set the new ringtone successfully, so let's press OK, and just to make sure that it actually has been set, we can go to settings on our phone, open sound and vibration, and you can, for example, check out if the ringtone, the name of the ringtone has been changed, and also you can adjust the ringtone volume to hear if it is actually updated. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.